Hi, welcome back to Say It in Chichewa. Are you new in Malawi and want to engage in a casual conversation? Then this video is for you. Here are the 3 most common greetings used in an informal conversation in Malawi. Bho or Bho Bho. A majority of Malawians, especially the youth, peers, and children, use the word Bho or Bho Bho to say hi. The response is simply Bho or Bho Bho. This phrase you will hear everywhere in the streets of Malawi. Don't be afraid to try it yourself. The locals will be very happy to see a tourist say Bho or Bho Bho. Zikutheka. The word Zikutheka is used informally to say, is everything okay? The response is simply also Zikutheka. Everything is fine. Okey, Zikutheka. Yes, everything is fine. Or I si Zikutheka. No, everything is not fine. Use this phrase for younger adults or the youth to impress. Zikuyenda. Zikuyenda. This is used interchangeably with Zikutheka, so don't get surprised if you are asked either or. Zikuyenda literally means, is everything going on all right? The response is also simply repeating the same word, Zikuyenda. Everything is all right. Or add the word I, meaning no, and add a prefix si to say si Zikuyenda, meaning it's not going on all right. Example dialogue.
Bho
Bho Bho.
Zikutheka.
Zikutheka. Or
Bho Bho
Bho.
Zikuyenda.
I si Zikuyenda. If your response is negative, be ready to receive a follow-up question such as Bwanji. What is it? Or Chavuta or vuto ndichani, meaning what is the problem? Then you can state what the problem is, starting with the same statement, vuto ndi, the problem is. For example, mwachitsanzo, vuto ndi maluzi. Vuto ndi maluzi. I am broke. Vuto ndi kudwala. Vuto ndi kudwala. I am sick. Vuto ndi kutopa. Vuto ndi kutopa. I am tired. Vuto ndi matsire. Vuto ndi matsire. I am hungover. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more Chichewa language and Malawian culture, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Zikomo. Thank you.